Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis many times before, although it has been a while, and update's probably not the right word, but confirmation would definitely be more of an accurate term. And the main area of confirmation has to do with the pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Not impossible to break, but more times than not, the price really does need to bring its A game in order to fight above it and then stay above it. And, that has definitely been the case here. Now, as a friendly reminder, remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So this chart might look a little bit different to you if you're watching this video, let's say, 15, 20 hours from now. So my goal is to kind of assume that you're not going to see this video until 20 hours from right now, but to still have the video be relevant to you. And the way I'm going to do that is just talk about broad levels and then, walk through some key questions to ask yourself. And the first key question to ask yourself, and this is where, the key level of resistance is, like I said, is, well, where does the price stand relative to that pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average? I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see right here, ultimately rejected. I say ultimately because it's not a matter of can the price push above it. The price is actually broken above that pink line several times, but the problem becomes the price can never stay up above it. So that's what a true break is. A true break has two parts. First one, again, the obvious, well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. The second part is, can the price actually stay above it? And again, that whole quote unquote staying above it is where the price has really struggled. Now, if you're answering that the question is, the question that, yeah, the price is actually up above that pink line, then it just kind of becomes a matter of, well, how far? And not to insult your intelligence, but the higher the price is up above the pink line as you watch the video, that just would imply, the more powerful and more healthy the breakout actually is. So again, if the price is above the pink line, that means a breakout is underway, and it becomes a matter of, well, depending on the distance away from that pink line, that'll tell you just how powerful it is. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is actually still below the pink line, the next immediate question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this orange line right here, which is the trend line we've been following right now, right around 220, give or take a few dollars. If you're answering that the price is still up above there, but below that pink line, one word can summarize that, and that would just be consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is actually down below the orange line, the next immediate question to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 208? Because that's this key level of support from back here on the chart. So use these broad levels, walk yourself through those questions. And like I said, even if you're watching this 20 hours from now, that should keep this chart very relevant to you. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.